Has Chat GPT stopped working for you? Is the service still down despite all the fixes you've undertaken? Here's a better and faster Chat GPT alternative. Let's head over to easy-peasy.ai. Easy-peasy AI claims to work 10 times faster. Let's check out the pricing to see if it's free. Yes, there's a free plan offering you 3,000 words per month. That should be enough for normal use. Let's go ahead and start with the free plan. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, GitHub, or email. We shall choose Google here. Notice that Easy Peasy doesn't require phone verification to activate your account, unlike Chat GPT. Upon signing in, the dashboard opens. Go ahead and click on Chat GPT on the left panel. Next, enter your prompt in the field below. We can see that Easy Peasy AI works as well as OpenAI's Chat GPT. Click on Start New Chat to enter a prompt on a different subject. Alternatively, you may try any of the templates. We can see that Chat with Marquee works as well as OpenAI's Chat GPT. Go ahead and sign up for this free Chat GPT alternative and give it a try. You no longer have to pull your hair when Chat GPT is down.